Now we'd like to welcome the very person behind this competition, our very own Madam Srimati Nandita Gorlosa ji, who have, in spite of our busy schedule and with all her talents and many portfolios to be mentioned, not only the sports and youth welfare, we have, she's a very dynamic minister. We are very pleased to have her here today, and now we take this privilege to call her on the stage for her speech. May I request you, ma'am, to take up your time. Let us all give a very huge round of applause for Madam.
Good evening, everybody. It's been a tough competition, I think, for all the participants. But for a layman like me, I just enjoyed it. And it's very difficult to understand the choral competition. But then, thanks to the organizers that you have done a wonderful job. Thanks to all the participants that you have participated. We tried with the not in the competition, but last year, 2024, we tried with some of the, not in the form of a competition, but choral songs and all were there. So we enjoyed with the 18 numbers of participants last year. And then from there, we had a Haflong choral group where they had started performing outside Haflong. And Haflongites, if I'm not mistaken, we can say that we are almost, everybody is into music, and if I see our elders, we see everybody is there into music. And then those music are all talented music. We don't have any professional who keeps on teaching one after the other. We were from the years of 90s, so we had seen year by year, starting from Don Bosco, if I'm not mistaken, batch by batch, year by year, there used to be musicians who comes on, I mean, naturally. Beyond that, if I see Bibi Hakjer is there, when we were very small, our house is not far from this. When we used to go to the school, we used to hear that there's now that's Meda's house. There you used to have a music room, I think, of those days. And then we used to pass by, and then we used to listen to them that they keep on playing. If I'm not mistaken, he's there. One of my uncle, Mukut, was there. Jewel was there in there. That's what we had seen it. Later on, if I'm not mistaken, Nirmalda is there. They were there, which we had seen them. Jivras was there, followed by his brother Nanu, and then followed by Dao. Then so on and so forth. And if I speak on others also, this is what I, from my own community, from others community also, there were numerous, it keeps on coming. And as we were associated with schools and colleges, every time what we had found was batch by batch, there were talent, but then we couldn't produce. Some had gone on their own, some became a very good musician. Even if we speak of Vishal Rajiyum, I think he's been a good one. I don't know where he is now. He seems to be in Golagat. He's staying like that. I spoke to him to come back again to give us a taste of his music, even if in writing. We had seen Padmadi is there. She keeps on singing. Monesh, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So he's there. Then Ronnie is there. So those were days like in Haflong, we still have the numbers to count it. And then if I go more senior, in between Nirmal and Bibi Hakjer and all, we'll not miss Debojitda and all their sisters. They were there who used to sing. I don't know, many of you might remember, our uncle and all might remember Jole. We heard her singing Ujala, if I'm not mistaken. So Pravatidi. So those were the ones that keep on singing on those years. But then hardly, like we were off. And then I thought if we could bring back the music that it is within you all, maybe in terms of chorus or a choral competition. From here we can get a numerous number of talents. We had a Haflong choral group. They are somewhere, they are all today here somewhere or the other being part. Some are participating from their own church, some are here on the backstage, some are there as an organizer. But I'm very grateful that everybody from every part of our district, they are part of it, either in terms of organizing or either in terms of participating. I expected much more, but then they told me, like, as it is a choral competition, it's very tough, and then you all must have taken a huge, days to practice, and then so on and so forth. But technology being there, it's so important nowadays, the technology, that it's, even though you are very far from one another, you can always be connected with one another. That's how we got connected through this, to form this competition, or to have connected with everybody. I'm very grateful to all the people who have come here. We had performed as an Haflong choral group in Guwahati, to some of in a very big platform. Once they have performed in Rangoli, that's very common in Northeast. We are also trying to plan to go take them to Delhi. That's how we can explore them, our people from this very area, so that they can go and then they can perform. To all the to all the invitees also that we have invited today, it's not that only I should take and lead and then move. There's so many among us who can also have better ideas and move forward. That's what Haflong is all been known for. So the next thing that we want to take is, I think, to the national as well as to the international level, like how Dinesh sir had mentioned. It's not only about being within us or within the campus of Haflong Government College. It has to go beyond Haflong, it has to go beyond Assam, it has to go beyond it. And then wherever we can, we will try to push our youngsters to move forward. We had organized many of the programs even when we were in college, past college, being a politician, being a non-politician. We were always into some part or the other in terms of organizing some music programs and all. One such opportunity for me was being an alumni secretary of St. Agnes Convent School, where I got the opportunity to be connected with many of an alumni from the rest of the world who were being our alumni in 2015 and 16. There we have got the opportunity to also welcome many of the artists from Northeast as well as from other places. And one of the major things that we always wanted to see and we used to listen was the Shillong Chamber Choir. Many of you who are here must have also listened to them live when they were in our school for the 100-year celebration. And since then, there was a thought like, if others can do, why not Haflong can also be a part of it? So our groups who are in Haflong Choral Group, I proudly say our group, even though I'm not a part of it, Haflong Choral Group, when they had gone outside to participate or to perform, they did not perform in any of the English songs and all. They performed in Shankura's Assamese songs. And those songs were also being done accordingly to how they felt it should be when it is in a choral way, chorus way. So later on I gave the clip to Shankuraj, and Shankuraj was also amazed to see that his songs can also be sung in such a good way in a different genre, in a different platform. So these are where we can make our youngsters connected, those who are very, very much interested in music, connected with some of the artists from Assam also or from other parts of India. One such was, I couldn't remember his name, but he's a lyricist from Bollywood. He was here in last year in Judima Festival. And then that time he came to Haflong to get some of the very good singers from our own local boys and girls. Many have been in his 1 hour interaction with him. And then he had really liked Winsome, our Winsome, who used to be with Ronald always. he was being taken up according to him, that he's very good. So those are the ways, as in a small way, whatever we can, we are trying to make them give a platform in a larger way. Though we are in the ministry, it's very difficult to be always in my hometown, but I always try to stay connected in some form or the other. But I must say that it's not lovely about today's program. Just a week before, I was in Haflong for a pre-Janmashtami celebration, and then you must all be amazed. I just wanted to go for a live, because I've seen that so many small kids, they came and then they chanted in sloks in Bhagavad Gita and all. So these are where, even in a small place like Haflong, who must have never thought it, that there are some talented kids or youngsters are there. There are bunches of people. It's only thing like we need to push them up. So last week was where I was quite amazed to see those many numbers of even the housewives. They came forward to be a participant of those program. Today also, I think that there must have been many who had come, and then you had really practiced hard, and then you really wanted your own church, representing your own church, and then you had come here. I think we should not stop only in the competition of choral or in Bhagavad Gita sloks and all. We'll move forward more to give a few glimpses. Some of the sports personalities, even though we were not in the sports ministry, still there were many from Molhoy or from Haflong itself, only Boringdo, Bodo, Jerry and all. They already moved outward. But recently I've come across from our own district many youngsters. One is from, so two brothers are from Sumpuijang. Very touching story to speak in front of you. I just wanted to give a touching story of this. A very young boy who is only in class 6. Usually for us, I'm not going to give a politician speech, but for us, I'm saying for us, it's usually the parents who come and meet us to say something or the other about the kids or some of the things that they wanted it. But I was very surprised on that very day. A young boy came along with his parents to meet me. And when I said what was that purpose for, he said he wanted to play a footballer. And then he had already gone to Rajasthan for a 1 month training, and then he wanted to go more. And then he did not say anything in our district, sad to say, couldn't do it till now. But then we took the opportunity for him to give him a place in Guwahati. Not that because I'm from a sports minister, but because he's a talented young kid, and he was being taken through the training and all, and he was being given the place in Guwahati. He stays there, he studies there, and to our amaze, his elder brother is also there, who both brothers play. They are there. One of the brother had got through Khel Maharan. The other day when I went for there, he was there in one, part of the Khel Maharan team of Assam. In future, we might be able to see these are some of the touching stories. Besides that, there are still many stories where our people are so much into football, from the interior areas of Khepre, from Hajadisa, from Langting. They keep on calling to me as if like I am a friend of theirs, like just give it a calling, and then they say that, Madam, gari jane ke liye bhara nahi hai, bhara bhej do na, ye training ke liye jayega. So these are so simple our people are, and then so simply they take it. So to understand our own people, we have to know very deep down, and I think even though it's not a large part, I'm trying to do a bit of my part. And then to all the participants that you all have been here, once again, thank you very much. Winning or losing is just a part of today's program. But most important is a participation, that you try to come here and then participate and then show your talent in front of the rest of the people. Thank you, judges. We have met earlier once, and then again we will be meeting again. Like when your introduction has been there, like what Nirmalda has said, it's been a surprise for many. Because what you all are doing, it's not known to the rest of the people of the district also. So at times when we do such type of programs, we do get an information also, and it's a pleasure to work for you all. We hope we continue to not be like a Shillong Chamber choir, but still in the long run, I think there has to be a Haflong choir. which will take a long way. And with the rest of the members of the choir group, sometimes they are very busy with their own schedule, but at the same time, to all the organizers, still I think there can be a second troupe from today's where we can form a second choir group. Not to be at the least, but I'd like to thank Ropuidi. She has left it. She was there from the very beginning with me. Today she thought like she has to attend a church. She left. John Paithong was always there. Thanked very much. And then to all the invitees, CEO from Assam Rifle, Bibi Hagjer, it was a pleasure to see the promo video of yours, and then when you speak English, we feel ourselves very shy to speak in front of you because your English is very, it's a very like the English that you speak, and maybe those are the English that we only get to hear, but we will not be able to speak in our life. To all the elders, Dinesh Tiwari sir, he's always been there. Aching and the rest of the members, thank you very much for being a part of it. Kalmaizo, she's the one very young artist. May God bless you always. You have been a star for Assam, for Haflong, and then your names are always there whenever the state anthem has been sung by you. So we keep up that spirit. May you all shine. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. एक दिल का धक धक खत्म हो गया और दूसरा शुरू हो गया प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का, है ना? कौन मिलेगा, कौन नहीं मिलेगा, एक बार खत्म कर दिया और फिर दूसरा बार एक धक धक का काम हो गया. तो उसको हटाने के लिए, टेंशन थोड़ा हटाने के लिए अभी मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी निरंजन भट्टारी को स्टेज में. As we all know कि he's a singer, old is gold. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Thank you.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
जीवन की ये डगर बिछ रहा मैं दिल भर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम मगर और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर हम लौट आएंगे तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना चलते चलते मेरी ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना Thank you. Thank you.
अभी हम बुलाना चाहेंगे कुमुद केम्प्राई जी को. I'd like to request Sri Kumud Kemprai to come up on stage और उसकी मधुर आवाज से हमें गाना सुनाए. Now I'd like to request Sir Ronald Battery to come up on stage and present his song for us for the last.
तुझको लेके जाऊंगा डरना माना मेरी बात उठा के लेके जाऊंगा तुम मेरे पास होगे गम बड़ी दूर होगा कहता है जिया है मेरा होगा रे जरूर होगा angin nohari bulu ninti khosari jadu chimana nyam jambe ni shauka dambari dukha muri thobia ni mongari agla ande lombe yari chinchi ani sari raja ban ke aunga tujhko leke jaunga karna mana meri baat utha ke leke jaunga tum mere paas hoge gam bari dur hoga कहता है जिया है मेरा होगा रे जरूर होगा चींची आई सैलरी राजा बन के आऊंगा तुझको लेके जाऊंगा करना माना मेरी बात उठा के लेके जाऊंगा तुम मेरे पास हो गए गम बड़ी दूर होगा कहना ही जिया मेरा होगा रे जरूर होगा दिल का दरवाजा है ओपन सैया दिल में आना रे करूँ तुझे रिक्वेस्ट कि डार्लिंग आके फिर ना जाना दिल का दरवाजा है ओपन सैया दिल में आना रे करूँ तुझे रिक्वेस्ट कि डार्लिंग आके फिर ना जाना हम जो दुनिया मुखा हानिक सिलादू शुभंगानी जाती ठेंग ठेंग हिपिनिंग हम जो ये तो हानिक सिलाहा chance de dunia now and darling masa di kuset mabar zapai kazau ni necklace diamond ring kenang niya kabo ni ke macam sisi asang dengan tau daki napa ke kindut kat ang saya nang amai abai abi akan kelang tenang naga hoza mulai ni ang kiri du kipuman mel selai baham lai so bakri matu si pai doang ni ke sai ma pai do ake malagai ni mane no kurjana no khorja yeah रेडी चला मोखोजा दिल का दरवाजा है ओपन सैया दिल में आना रे करूँ तुझे रिक्वेस्ट कि डार्लिंग आगे फिर ना जाना दिल का दरवाजा है ओपन सैया दिल में आना रे करूँ तुझे रिक्वेस्ट कि डार्लिंग आगे फिर ना जाना आंनि नि मोहारी नुरुनि के फंक्शनारि जादु सिमानांग yang मोजां बिनि सावगारि दामबारि दुखामुरि थावियानि हनखारि हाग्लायां बे गंबैया चिंची आंनि सैलरी राजा बन के आऊंगा तुझको लेके जाऊंगा करना माना मेरी बात उठा के लेके जाऊंगा तुम मेरे पास हो गए गम बड़ी दूर होगा कहना ही जिया मेरा होगा रे जरूर होगा थैंक यू सो मच
sir, thank you so much. उसने बोला था कि स्पेक्टेटर के लिए आया था, लेकिन आप लोगों को तो पता है कि टैलेंटेड लोग जहाँ भी जाते हैं नोटिस तो होता ही है, right? So now for the last performance, I'd like to call upon a stage the choral choir group, and which will be followed by the prize distribution. So दिल थाम के बैठिए, इसके बाद a prize distribution दिया जाएगा.
अभी आज का हम लोगों ने यहाँ में जो इकट्ठा हुआ उसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट वाला अभी सबसे क्या बोलेगा मेन पार्ट मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ अभी हम लोगों अनाउंसमेंट करने जा रहा है. हम लोग इतना जल्दी अनाउंसमेंट नहीं करेगा, थोड़ा सांस लीजिए और बैकअप साउंड भी लगेगा. टू पगिन आज 9 choir टीम से हम लोगों को कंपटीशन मिला है. इसमें से विनर, फर्स्ट रनर अप, सेकंड रनर अप हम उन प्राइस अभी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेगा. उससे पहले हम रिक्वेस्ट करने मांगता है, I would like to call each and every conductor, choir conductor, to kindly come up the stage. Every conductor, each and every conductor, please come here. हम उनका जजेस लोगों से रिजल्ट दे दिया है, हमारा हाथ में है ये लिफाफा, इसके अंदर में है रिजल्ट, हम नहीं खुलेगा. इसको अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए हम हिम्मत नहीं है, बहुत गर्म है, पसीना भी एकदम ऑलरेडी एकदम स्वेटिंग हो गया, हम पूरा भीज गया. हम इसका तो अनाउंस कर ही नहीं चाहिए, बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत हॉट है. अनाउंसमेंट विनर अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज मैडम नंदिता गोरलोसा. फर्स्ट रनर अप अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज रेस्पेक्टेड एमएससी जॉन पाइथन जी. और सेकेंड रनर अप अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए I would like to call on stage Honorable MSc Mr. Ngamrotang. Under me. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या में स्टार्ट करेगा? विनर से करेगा ना थर्ड से ना सेकंड से करेगा? थर्ड ना? ओके फाइन, सब आ गया यहाँ में, सब आ गया ना? अच्छा, हम थोड़ा आप लोगों का राय देखता है, आप लोगों का मैंने ओपिनियन देखता है, मैंने कितना सच हो सकता देखेगा। आप लोग कौन सा खोयर में आप लोगों ने दाव लगाया ना, कौन सा खोयर मैंने विनर होगा बोल के जो आशा करा, जो देखा है आप लोगों मैंने जज लोगों तो ऑलरेडी जज कर लिया, अपना रिजल्ट भी दे दिया ऑलरेडी यहाँ में। लेकिन अभी हम ऑडियंस से पूछने मांगता है मैंने कौन को मैंने विनर में आप लोगों ने देखने मांगता है, मैंने कौन को विनर आप लोगों ने दिया है? कौन है विनर आज का, बताओ तो। हाँ, PYF? PYF तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, कितना तो PYF है। चलो हम लोगों ने और ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेगा, गरम भी है, इसलिए सबसे पहले आज का प्राइस अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए हम लोगों का रेस्पेक्टेड MSc मिस्टर नम्रोथंग को टाइम देगा। अभी
डायरेक्ट अनाउंस करेगा ना, हम भी एक दो बात बोलेगा जो भी हो, क्योंकि अभी 10 मिनट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 मिनट लेगा। हम जैसा सब आगे बोला, हम बोलने में जब हमको बोलने को बुलाया तो एकदम साथ साथ बोले, हम भी नर्वस था। अभी रिजल्ट अनाउंसमेंट के लिए फिर भी नर्वस हो गया हम। उसमें म्यूजिक सब भी आप लोग जैसा इंटरेस्ट है, हम भी इंटरेस्ट है। गाने नहीं संग से भी हमें बहुत ध्यान तो मारता है, सको मत सको एक तो मतलब कनेक्शन होता। और एक चीज़ है, जितना कोयर लोग आया आज में, जो सिंगर ने वो लोग भी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोग से, जो भी परफॉर्म करता उसमें हम लोग एक करना है कि एटलीस्ट हाथ बजाए के भी जो सिंगर है उन लोगों को सपोर्ट करना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसा कि हमारा रोनाल्ड भाई परफॉर्म करने में, चलो कोई ताली नहीं मार से भी कोई हाथ भी एटलीस्ट पाव भी थोड़ा बदन मूवमेंट देने से क्या होता है, गान करने वाला लोग भी थोड़ा फुर्ती तो होता है। क्योंकि गान करेगा हम चुपचाप देखने से तो वो लोग सोचेगा पसंद नहीं किया, तो इसलिए चलो अभी हम अनाउंस करता।
उसका आगे में हम क्वायर कंडक्टरों को रिक्वेस्ट करता सब अपना मैंने अपना साथ वाला का हाथ पकड़ने से ठीक होगा नहीं क्या, यूनिटी के लिए। कोई प्राइस नहीं मिलने से भी नाराज नहीं होने के लिए ना, एक साथ। चलो अभी शुरू करता है अनाउंसमेंट।
अभी सेकेंड रनर साहब हम अनाउंस करेगा। आप लोग कोई एक तो नाम बोलो ना, कोई भी। चलो सब भी PYF है। सेकेंड रनर साहब हो गया डॉक्टर रोनाल्ड पथरी। चलो थोड़ा एक तो हम भी इतना नई संक्षिप्त डाल दिया। तो अभी फाइनली सेकेंड रनर साहब प्राइस हो गया 30,000 और वो अवार्ड मिलता है PYF होनवेंग। तो कोई तालियां हो जाए PYF होनवेंग के लिए। थैंक यू।
PYF होनवेंग कंडक्टर पीछे आप आइए और हम उनका मैडम से रिक्वेस्ट करता है जो है ना वो उनका मेमेंटो। Second runner-ups, third prize carried 30,000 cash money with memento and check.
Congratulations, जो प्राइस लिया आप जा सकता है।
नहीं फोटो सेशन के लिए रखेगा।
तो सर लिया जाओ। बहुत अच्छा बात है। हमने सामने सब एंजॉय किया देखा। तो आने वाला दिन काल में भी आज में जो नहीं गाया आने वाला 2026 में अपन गाने के लिए तैयार करो, हम भी करेंगे साथ साथ। तो आज फर्स्ट रनर साहब जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट का केरल कॉम्पिटिशन का 2025 का हम अनाउंस करने जा रहा है। दैट इज अवार्डेड टू कौन होगा? सबसे हमारा करीबन सबसे नजदीक वाला बस्ती सबसे पहाड़ वाला बस्ती goes to NLL PYF.
PYF NLL PYF NLL. Congratulations PYF Onveng Haflong and PYF NLL. अभी सबसे आज का मेन सबसे खास वाला मैडम से अभी अनाउंसमेंट करेगा.
The winner is PYF Mulhoy.
District Choir Competition 2025 winner PYF Mulhoy. PYF Mulhoy, winner of District Choir Competition 2025. A big congratulations to PYF Mulhoy. बाकी जितना भी रहे अभी हम लोगों पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइस हम लोगों अभी देने जा रहा है. पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइस
करने मांगता है जो सब उनका डिब्राई का गाँवपुरा भी है, सूरतनगर का भी और उनका सिटीजन सीनियर सिटीजन हाफलोंग का. After 20 of August, the 26th Assam Rifle is organizing Operation Sindur का बारे में और साथ साथ में हमारा सीओ साहब से हम डिस्कस कर रहा था अभी 26 राकेश जी से जो यूथ लून के लिए भी जो रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए ट्रेनिंग इन बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम में देने जा रहा है. तो इसलिए अपन अपना अपना चर्च में अपना अपना यूथ लून को अपन बोलिए जो असम राइफल ट्रेनिंग के लिए ये करेगा और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का एक प्रोग्राम होगा यहाँ में. हम अनुरोध करता है जो सब भी आने के लिए अपन डेट फिक्स करेगा और अपन को बता देगा फिर. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी हम लोग प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है इसलिए अभी हम लोग प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंटिन्यू करेगा. सबसे पहले हम लोगों जजेस लोगों का आज का हम लोगों का जजेस लोगों एकदम क्वालिफाई वाला है, वेल क्वालिफाइड. उनका समय अच्छा समय हम उनको दिया, इसलिए उनको ऊपर में थैंक्स बोलने मांगता है। उसके साथ साथ हम लोगों ने एज अ टोकन ऑफ लव वी वांट टू गिव मेमेंटो एंड कैश में रहे। और जो फोटो सेशन भी होगा माने यहाँ में हम लोग स्टेज में फोटो भी ले सकता है, इसलिए आप लोग रहे। मिस्टर इडिम चुबे जैन में तालियां हो जाए एक बार हम उनका जजेस के लिए। Saingam Chongloi, Mr. Saingam Chongloi, Mr. Eldet Parate, next. Thank you. Next, Laldik Swala Nampui. Next, Mr. Albert. Talia ho jaye, Talia. Next, Mr. Edin Fetrangol. और आखिर में मिस्टर ओबेट। थैंक यू जजेस, आप लोगों का वजह से आज हम का प्रोग्राम अच्छा से होने सका, इसलिए आप लोगों को ऊपर में once again on behalf of Haflong Choral Harmony, thank you all. अभी next, अभी और भी बाकी है। अच्छा, हम लोगों ने इसमें थोड़ा भूल किया है, जो कॉन्टेस्टेंट वाला जो प्राइस नहीं मिला, पार्टिसिपेशन मेमेंटो हम देने मांगता है। सॉन्ग लीडर लोगों या खोयर कंडक्टर लोगों एक बार फिर दोबारा आ जाने से ठीक रहेगा। उनको हम लोगों देने मांगता है एज अ टोकन ऑफ लव। होस्ट का गिफ्ट आज में देने के लिए हम मैडम को रिक्वेस्ट करेगा। आज इतना अच्छा से हम लोगों को होस्ट किया है, हम उनका इवनिंग को अच्छा से शानदार तरीका से ये लोग लेके गया, इसलिए बहुत खुशी है। मिस लिली एंड मिस जुडिथ रांगचल, हाँ मिस लिली मिस जुडिथ रांगचल प्लीज आइए। मिस जुडिथ, उसके बाद आज का हम लोगों का स्पेशल सिंगर जो मिस इकिम चुले और मिस क्वालिन नरोवेल। मिस क्वालिन नरोवेल एंड मिस इकिम चुले। Miss Ikim Chule, thank you Miss Ikim Chule, thank you Miss Quailin Narovel। इतना अच्छा गान से आज में हम लोग का इवनिंग को और भी शानदार किया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, मे गॉड कंटिन्यू टू ब्लेस यू। अभी हम लोगों बुलाना चाहेगा मंच में, स्टेज में मिस कलमोइजो मार को बुलाना चाहेगा। वो भी आज ओपनिंग सॉन्ग अच्छी तरीका से सुंदर से हम उनको प्रेजेंट किया, उसके लिए हम उन थैंक्स बोलने मांगता। थैंक यू मिस कलमोइजो, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
And thank you so much, each and everyone, for coming. And part of this beautiful program. Now, we'd like to end this program with a special number that is an Assamese song to be sung by the Haflong Choral group.
Good evening again, everyone. हमारा ये last performance है, and it should be, it should have been the first performance also, क्योंकि हम लोग Haflong Choral Harmony एक साथ से हो चुके हैं. But then when you have a guest, आप घर में खाना पकाने में busy हो जाता है ना, तो वैसे ही हम लोग preparation में इतना busy हो गए, हम लोग practice नहीं कर पाए. So it's going to be an impromptu performance. So I request all of you to sing along with us, and please don't mind our faults. Thank you.
hope to see you next year. Those who have not won the prize also, I hope to see you. We hope to see you next year with more efforts.